Elias here from Your House Fitness, and I'll be showing you today how to do a rear delt fly. Now, this exercise is really good for that back muscle, upper back, for your rear delts. It's always nice to perform these right after doing a compound lift. You could get these into a superset. How you perform this is very simple. You want to grab a good set of weights that we're doing 8 to 10 repetitions, and we're going to be bending the body forward, holding the weights right off in front of us, and we're lifting up, squeezing and contracting the shoulder blades. The way that I like to tell my clients is really focus like there's a pencil on the spine, and we're trying to squeeze that pencil with the shoulder blades and really getting that contraction. It's a little bit difficult sometimes getting the contraction for the upper back, but if we really focus and emphasize like there's a pencil on the spine and get that squeeze in, we could definitely get nice contractions of those muscles. Great exercise for helping building the posture as well as developing the back. So give some rear delt flies a try.